Hi guys, it's Mary, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're doing really well today. Welcome to day 4 of Cocktail Week. We are going to make Pisco sours today. These are super popular in Peru, Chile, Bolivia. In fact, Peruvians and Chileans are always arguing who invented it first or who created it. Doesn't matter, it is delicious. Before we do anything, if you could please sub and turn on the notification button, I'd really appreciate that. Let's do this. By the way, this drink has raw egg in it, and if that makes you uncomfortable, you might want to buy that, there's like a powder that they use for Tom Collins and things at bars, and that gives it the frothiness like this, okay? I'm going to add 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice in here. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of simple syrup. We're using Pisco for this. This is the Pisco I have. Any Pisco will do. We're gonna add 4 ounces of the Pisco. Pisco, guys, is a grape brandy, and it's popular in Peru, Chile, and Bolivia. We have very good Pisco in the valleys of Bolivia as well. I'm going to add some ice to this. And we're gonna blend this for about 20 seconds. And now I'm gonna add an egg white. And I'm going to blend that for another 20 seconds. To finish off this cocktail, we need some Angostura or aromatic bitters, okay? We're just gonna put a few drops on top. We'll swirl it a little bit. Beautiful Pisco sour. Oh my gosh, this takes me back. Well, Sunday lunches, little Pisco sour before we eat. Delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, and we will make our palomas.